Taking a screenshot on a Chromebook is something you'll probably use more often than you expect, whether it's saving important information, capturing an image, or sharing something quickly. But if you're new to Chrome OS, the process can feel a bit unfamiliar at first, especially since Chromebook keyboards don't always have the same keys as traditional laptops. You might find yourself looking for a print screen button that isn't there, or wondering which shortcut actually works. The good thing is that Chromebooks offer multiple easy ways to capture your screen, including full screenshots and selected areas. Once you learn the right shortcut or tool, taking screenshots becomes quick and effortless. Try these. Step 1. Press Ctrl plus Show Windows key together. Step 2. This captures the entire screen instantly. Step 3. For partial screenshots, press Shift plus Ctrl plus Show Windows. Step 4. Click and drag to select the area you want to capture. Step 5. Find your screenshot in the Downloads folder or notification pop-up. Step 6. Open, edit, or share the screenshot as needed.